Adulting sucks. So sometimes being an adult, being a responsible adult, really sucks. So today, April, whatever day it is, 13th, 80 degrees. 80 degrees. And guess what I'm doing? I'm on my way to work. It took all my restraint today. When I woke up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon to take a piss, because I'm old and I have to do that all the time now, not to call out of work, to go out and jump on the bike and go riding for a few hours. Got some activity going on here. U.S. Park Ranger. Boop, boop. So anyway, it took everything I had not to call out of work. Hit up some friends. Wait a minute. You just gotta have to have friends before you hit them up. So I would have been out riding by myself anyway. But just not to call out and enjoy the day. I mean, you know, being a responsible adult means you gotta forego the things you like to do, the things you enjoy to do sometimes, because you got your responsibilities. Yeah. I took a responsibility when I took this job a long time ago, to come to work on a regular basis, to do a job. And not just that, I have a responsibility to my family to put a roof over their head and keep the lights on and that kind of fun shit. So yeah, adulting really does suck. So at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, after I took my piss, I went back in and I laid back down and I fell back asleep till my alarm went off, because I have to be safe while I'm driving a truck. Because I don't know about you guys, I really don't want an 80,000 pound vehicle being driven by somebody who's falling asleep on the road. It's I'd rather have my family not be run over by that. You know, I'm sure you don't want your children, your wife, your grandmom, your mom, your dad, your grandpa, none of those people to be run over by a 80,000 pound vehicle because that dumbass fell asleep. Didn't get enough sleep during the day and fell asleep and killed somebody. So there goes that fuel light again. So I take my responsibility for that very seriously, because in all honesty, if I killed somebody out on the road and it was my fault and it was due to my negligence, I really, man, I don't know if I could live with myself, man. That'd be, you know, insane, crazy. So yeah, so I'm doing the adulting thing here, and I am heading off to work to enjoy another fun-filled night driving a truck. But the good thing is I do get to ride this baby right here today on the way to work, and I do get to enjoy that time. And I mean, hey, look, fucking beautiful out here. I'm in short sleeves. This is awesome. This is the weather that I want to have every day. And I know that's impossible. Hey, little puppy. So, I don't know what else to say. But yeah, being responsible and being an adult can sometimes suck. Because if I was 18 years old and I didn't have the responsibility that I do now, I would have called out and I would have been on the bike for 3 or 4 hours already. So, yeah. That's what happens when you're done grown up. Alright guys, here's where I'm going to leave you. So until next time, my friends, and I do consider you, all of you, my friends. So if I ever call you up at 2 o'clock in the afternoon to go riding, answer your phone. Alright guys, so until next time, y'all stay safe, y'all love one another, peace. If I can't do that again.